आज आमी गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा बारा हें इन्स्पेक्शन हें जें एमरल्ड हॉटेल आहा ताजे फाटल्यान जो एक नल्ला वयता ताजें इन्स्पेक्शन केलें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वन मेसेज इज वेरी क्लियर. ड्युरिंग द इन्स्पेक्शन इट वॉज एविडंट that there was discharge that was happening into this nalla and which is coming from this hotel. So there has to be straight away basis on this inspection what has happened and so much of witnesses directly police सद्या तांकां फायन वचपा जाय. First thing is that there is no question asked. Second thing is तांकां शोकॉज वचपा जाय आनी तांगे आख्खे STP डायग्राम्स प्लस तांगे जे जितले आउटलेट आमी चोयले अराउंड 6 आउटलेट्स चोयलो हाय. हेज्या पयलीं लास्ट वीक लोकल्सान कोण एक व्हिडिओ काडलो ते आउटलेटान उदो हाडलें दॅट फोटोग्राफीक एविडन्स आनी व्हिडिओ एविडन्स आहा. सो हे सवय आउटलेट हुंयसो येताय तेज डायग्राम आनी तेज नेक्स्ट इन्स्पेक्शनाक तें जावपा जाय आनी ते सवय आउटलेट जितले दिसती पडटाय ते पॅक करपा जाय. सो दीस हॅज टू बी द सेकंड थिंग. थर्ड थिंग इज जो डिमांड आहा की I think they have to take it in the Gram Sabha को उलोइन Gram Sabha एक resolution घेऊन we have to go to all the department, that is the TCP, the WRT, all these departments to make sure that how this entire nalla has been covered with whatever has been covered. Occupancy दिला हिंगा हे जे आम कितलीशी बिल्डिंग दिसती पडटाय are they all covered by TCP occupancy, are they all covered by the panchayat occupancy license हेजे. So I think all these step by step has to be checked, but immediate is हिंगा ग्रे वॉटर सिवेज हें डिस्चार्ज जालो मेळ्ळा हेज आमकां सॉयल टेस्टिंगा धाडपा जाय. हांव एक क्लियर मेसेज पयलीं सद्यार थँक्यू म्हणटा फॉर द चेअरमॅन ऑफ गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड. थँक्यू बिकॉज यू डीड एन इन्स्पेक्शन विच इज वेरी गुड. बट फायनली ऑल आवर डोर्स लीड टू द गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड. आज जितले क्रीक आहे रिवर्स आला आतिया नल्ला ऑल आर फायनली लीडिंग टू युअर डोर and your door opens but finally तेज execution मेळना तेजे आन्सर मेळना. आनी मुगे रिक्वेस्ट सगळे पंचायती कडेन आनी सगळे हॉटेलां कडेन you all are doing business, you all are making money, it is yours, but please do not disturb our environment, please do not discharge shortcut करून तुमगे पयस साल्वा करपा जाय म्हणून do not discharge grey water or sewage water, untreated water into the fields, into the this. Wherever we see such kind of waste that is getting discharged, we are going to make sure that we are going to complain. Do not say that we are against your hotel or we are against any kind of a business. We are not against anyone. But we do not want you to leave this water into the fields or into the nallas because you are doing so much of business. So it does not take you time to spend and make sure that you treat your water and use your treated water for your own landscaping. This is our request. My immediate request to Goa State Pollution Control Board, आज हम Thursday है, हाल Friday. By tomorrow evening, please send us the results, the inspection report, the Panchanama report of today's, and by Monday I think you should send a show cause to everybody whoever is required with copy to our office. सगळी तुमी हिंग येयली आमगे एक्स ZP हा ZP हा पंच मेंबर हाय आनी सगळो लोक येयलो म्हणून देव बरो करूं. बट माय ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज when it comes to this kind of issues of pollution, let us stay focused. कित्याक हें गोच बेदी कितें म्हणटाय बायल चोर. सो ह्यो खबरो ह्यो हिंग गोच नासतना हें सगळें जालें ना डेव्हलपमेंट. आम म्हणटा 4 वर्सां जालें एज अ MLA, बट हें म्हाका सदां लास्ट 20 years these hotels have been running and probably for last 20 years all these things are happening, but somewhere it has to be stopped. Awareness वाडोता and you all have to stop. So I think Goa State Pollution Control Board is the key authority and we are all depending on your result and your action and your show cause notice and your penalty and fine to be given to these premises. फाटल्यान काल म्हाका लोकलान आपयलो. I inspected the place. हांव येयलो तेन्ना उदो आसना. But you can see traces of water. 3 things is what we require from your department. Number 1 is whenever you see something on social media coming out related to pollution, I have told your boss also, you all can take suo moto, no? You can take suo moto. So you all please try to take, no, you are for this area. So please put it in the minutes of this inspection that I have told you all that you all please take suo moto, because Goa State Pollution Control Board is the only board that everybody is dependent. No MLA can do this job, no panchayat can do, nobody can do. You all have to come and do. And suo moto मुझे तुम करो कौन ना दलना कौन कर दो. So first put this point. Second thing is you will take the sample of the soil. We'll take. If you see any water, you will take that water sample. We will show you the locations where there is discharge. I want you to send them an official letter टू ट्रेस अँड गिव अस द प्लॅन ऑफ ऑल दोज डिस्चार्जीस. जे जे बुराकांतल्यान उदक भायर येता म्हूण ती लोकल सांगताय त्या बुराका खुंयसून येता तें तेंगे प्लॅन दिवपा जाय आनी ते बुराक बंद करपा जाय स्विमींग प्लॅन. दीस इज द फोर्थ रिक्वेस्ट वीच हॅज टू गो इन रिटर्न. प्लस ते मरे इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल्स घायलो आहे हियर एंड देर सेफ्टी पार्ट ऑफ इट. इफ यू फील तुका शॉक गोडे येत थिंगा जाल्यार तूं तें बरय की तुकाय शॉक येवपा चान्स आहा आनी ते वायर काडपाक जाय. Fair enough. If any additional points are there, ZP member is there, everybody is there here. They will also tell you. मुझे आठीन मागे सजमाला 5 पॉइंट आहे सांगले. You make sure that action is taken from your side. Okay.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.